Fish on. Oh yeah, finally decent sized fish. Oh yeah, decent sized fish, yeah. Oh no, it's river otters. There's river otters in here. They're over here looking at me. See them popping up? What is up, everybody? AZ Legend Adventures here, and thanks for tuning in. It is a beautiful fall day here in Arizona. I'm just doing a solo trip on my fishing kayak here. I got everything loaded up. We're gonna head upriver, and I'm gonna take you guys to one of my favorite honey holes here on the river. Right now, that fall bass bite is on. This is some of the best times to be fishing in Arizona, especially the river. I love fishing the river. This is one of my favorite places. It's beautiful. No one's out here. I got this whole place to myself. I like to say this is a hole that nobody knows about. I'm the only one that I ever see fish it. I keep it a shh. All right, so follow along. Let's head upriver and win a catch some river bass here in AZ Legend Adventures. Let's go. Just about to approach my honey hole, and I can see the water has been moving and disturbed. The fish are hitting top water, jumping around. Oh yeah, let's get our fish on. Oh no, it's river otters. There's river otters in here. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw the little shadow in the drone footage there, but they went under deep, but they're still all in here. Now, river otters are super cute because, they're just super cute, but I don't like them because they ruin our fishing spots. And right now I just saw them pull 2 fish out of the water. Oh, at least they tell you where the fish are, so can't go wrong with that. They're over here looking at me. See them popping up? Those river otters really messed up my fishing spot. So I decided to start floating down river, fish some spots I haven't fished, fish some shallows. All right, fish on. Oh, here we go. This is called a red eye. They're mistaken for red-eyed bass, or a smallmouth bass out here, but they're called red eyes. They're hybrid species. Shoo, there we go. All right. Nice seeing these guys populate. They get about twice the size, but not too big. But they put up a good little fight. Beautiful little fish. Good old red eye right there at AZ Verde River. We got another little dinker. That's a baby largemouth right there. Crawfish Rapala right here. This is my go-to out here on the river. This guy has caught me a lot of fish. I use this in all the rapids. I use this everywhere all over the river, especially if I'm not catching anything. I always go to this guy. So one pole is going to have this guy on it. Fish on. Oh yeah, finally decent sized fish. Oh yeah, decent sized fish, yeah. Shoot for me. Oh, watch those hooks. All right, decent size. Yeah. Yes. Wow. There we go. Another decent one right there. He hit it once, I missed him, and he came back again, got him. All right. Thank you, sir, for coming out today. Nice little largie. Verde River fishing right here. AZ Legend Adventures. If you like fishing just as much as me, make sure you hit subscribe and like, maybe share the video. That'd be cool too. Another one, fish on. Oh, gotta be careful, man. This hook's gonna get you. There we go. Another little nice, healthy baby largemouth bass. So next year they're gonna get bigger and better. Yeah. Catching dinks, but I'm not sure how much that weighs. All right. Another red eye. A little bigger. Yeah. Yes. Wow. There we go. Another decent one right there. He hit it once. I missed him. Then he came back again. Got him. All right. Thank you, sir, for coming out today. Nice little largie. All right. I got me a monster. Did it get any bigger? That is the size of my lure. That's hilarious. Alright, this is called a red eye. Successful day on the water. Thanks for watching AZ Legend Adventures. Peace.